A few days ago, the Daily Faceoff asked us which rule we should abolish. Today I'll react to some of the top comments and also give my own opinion. Keishan Dave says to abolish the shootout and replace it with extended overtime. I absolutely love this idea, but it seems like the players and owners are against it, as they're on tight schedules during the regular season. Oil Laddie says the no goalie fight rule, which I absolutely agree with. We used to see some epic goalie fights back in the day, and then they'd be given a 5-minute major and a game misconduct. But ever since the NHL became strict with players taking their helmets off a few years ago, refs now prevent goalie fights from even happening. Eamon McKay says to still call icing on the penalty kill. I disagree with this one, as I think this would result in way too many power play goals, and could change the game in a way that it would start revolving around the power play, where, for example, players become too scared to take a penalty. Also, as I've talked about in depth before, power play percentages have actually been increasing significantly in recent years, so I have no concerns about this one. Steel Rob says the goal should count even after the horn goes. I disagree with this one, as I think it's important to have strict cutoffs and draw the line at an exact spot so that no arbitrary boundaries can be pushed. A few comments talked about removing offside challenges. I have to disagree with this one, as once again it's important to have strict rules in place and minimal controversies. Like, just imagine the outcry if the 1980 offside overtime cup-winning goal took place today, with the presence of social media and in-depth reviews. The point about scoring a minute after being offside is a common one, but is also an issue, because being a step or two ahead of the play could be the difference between the defending team getting the puck and clearing the zone, and the offside player getting to the puck first and keeping the play alive. In my opinion, a rule the NHL should abolish is the trapezoid. This is the section in each corner of the ice where goalies aren't allowed to play the puck. This rule was put in place in large part due to Martin Brodeur and the New Jersey Devils to limit the trap, but in today's day and age, I don't think the trapezoid is still necessary, as I think some of the other rules that were introduced simultaneously after the 2005 lockout did a good enough job to improve the game, and the trapezoid was unnecessary. But let me know your thoughts on these rules in the comments.